Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and app. You must be on the same Wi-Fi network and have the Google Home app open. This lets you send commands. Once ready, power the Chromecast from the official adapter so it won't drop during the reset. Make sure the TV input shows the Chromecast home screen. If it doesn't, switch HDMI inputs. Now, open the Google Home app and locate the Chromecast device card, tap it to access settings, and start the reset process. You'll now perform the actual reset. From the app, go to Device Settings and choose Factory Reset. Confirm when prompted. This erases Wi-Fi and account data. If you can't use the app, press and hold the device's physical button. Hold about 25 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. Release, then wait for reboot. For Chromecast with Google TV, follow Settings, System, About, then Factory Reset, and accept the confirmation. Once the device restarts, it returns to setup mode, ready for pairing again. Finish by adding the Chromecast to Google Home as a new device. Select Add, Set up Device, New Devices, then follow the pairing and Wi-Fi prompts. Make sure you select the correct SSID and enter the password accurately. If pairing fails, restart your router and phone, turn off VPNs or network isolation, then try again. As a key troubleshooting tip, watch the LED. Different blink patterns mean power, Wi-Fi, or hardware issues. If LED stays off after a reset, check the power adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.